The Illuminating Engineering Society has been the lighting authority, bringing you indispensable technical content you've needed since 1906. We're excited to announce the Lighting Library, powered by ASTM Compass. With over 5,000 pages, 100 standards, and ANSI-approved procedures now on demand and completely searchable, your traditional lighting handbook is now smarter and more convenient. In addition to critical industry knowledge, this new IES platform gives you powerful collaborative workflow tools such as annotations, tracking, and version comparison. You can create custom alerts to stay informed on any updates to your technical information. You can even create alerts to changes on specific sections of standards. Comprehensive of all IES publications on lighting science, lighting practice, lighting applications, measurements and testing, and roadway and parking facility lighting. The Lighting Library. Take your knowledge with you wherever your work takes you. Start today at ies.org/library.